Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do an update to the low buy and we're gonna talk about how much money I spent in quarter 1. So let's start. I did not the best but not the worst. Today is actually the 9th of March, but I already know that I'm not planning to buy any more makeup until the Sephora VIB sale. I am planning maybe to buy one lipstick from MAC, the new one, but I will include that in quarter 2 and it will be totally fine. I want to film the update right now because this will go live a bit later. So, I spent a pretty good amount of money, but my last purchase was actually 10th of February. So it's been a month and I didn't buy anything. I bought a lot of clothes though, and a bit of skincare and hair care, but no makeup, which is kind of great because I have a lot of makeup. So maybe in quarter 2 I'll be even better, but I'm planning to buy some stuff at the Sephora VIB sale and I'm gonna film a video about that. So let's start on the 2nd of January. I did a purchase. I bought the Summer Friday Lip Butter Balm. This was $24.9 and this is great. It is expensive, but it's very nice. So I am happy that I bought it. I will use it up. Will I repurchase this after I'm done? Questionable, because usually when a thing is this expensive, I am very curious to test it out, but after that, will I repurchase it? That is the real question, and that's the reason I'm filming those videos with the repurchased product, because that is very important. But the product, really great. On the 15th of January, I bought the Revlon Super Lustrous, and this was $4.41. It's a very affordable one and it's a pretty good dupe of the MAC ones. I would say this shade is Smoky Rose. I really love it. It is a really great lipstick, comfortable, a bit sheer. It looks really nice and this compact is pretty good quality, so a really good purchase. On the 18th of January, I placed an order to Beauty Bay and I bought a bunch of stuff. This was $120.55. I'm very precise with this order, and I bought a bunch of stuff that I really enjoy. So first of all, I bought the lip oil from E.L.F. Great lip oil. It's a bit of a thicker lip oil. It's really good quality. Compact is nice. It is clear because I really like that. It's a more cushiony formula, so it's filling the lip lines, so it looks juicy and really nice. And it is minty as well. I really love it. It is great. Then I bought the lip liner from E.L.F. and I am quite impressed. It is great. It is creamy, but is not smeary, and it is a really nice shade. And I really like this packaging. It's very simple, but it looks somehow very cute. I really like it. So that is an amazing purchase as well. I bought the dark plump from NYX on the Beauty Bay order because I was not sure that it will come pretty soon to Romania, but it did. But this is my favorite lip plumper, so this is great. I really like the compact and everything. It's bright orange, so it is very colorful and fun. And this product, it's so nice. I really like lip plumpers right now, and this one is just great. It is a slower plumping effect and it is juicy, a bit stinging of course, but not very painful, and it is filling the lips very nicely. I really like it. It is great. I bought the eyeliner from Physicians Formula. This is a repurchase. I think is my 5th or something like that. I created my wings today with this one. It is a really good one. I bought the blush from Iconic London. This is very expensive, but it's worth it. I'm very happy that I purchased it. I have the shade Kissed by the Sun. It's just gorgeous. It's very shimmery and I absolutely love a shimmery blush. So I love it. This compact is incredible as well. I really like this blush. I'm very happy. It is expensive, but it's worth every penny in my opinion. And lastly, in this order, I bought the Martine Cosmetics eyeshadow. I was curious to test this formula and I'm happy to report that it is a pretty good formula. Will I buy a new palette from them? Maybe at some point if they have a really good color story. Sure, I know that the formula is pretty nice, but overall it is a cute palette and I'm happy that I bought it. I was pretty curious about the brand. It is an indie brand, so this palette, it is pretty cute. Then the absolutely next day, on the 19th of January, I placed an order of a bunch of stuff from Sephora. It is what it is. I bought the We're Even concealer from Fenty. This is not my favorite concealer. It is nice, I will use it, but I could have lived without it, but I was curious. It is what it is. The applicator though, this is very, it looks like a foot. It's just so cute. I really like the applicator. It's very nice. It is very easy to use. I really like the applicator and the packaging. The concealer is just okay. It's like a 7. It's okay, but nothing special. It is $29.14. Then I bought the Brow Freeze Gel, the mini one. This one, it's great, but the applicator is crap in my opinion, so I will use it up. I will not repurchase it. It is a goopy kind of formula, but not in a bad sense. It is really nice. I like this one more than the Patrick Ta one, and that one is kind of similar, I would say. This one is better in my opinion because it doesn't leave the residue that the Patrick Ta does for me, but the applicator is crap, so I need to just maneuver it a bit more, which I don't like, so I prefer my Too Faced one. This retails for $14.37 and I enjoy it, but I will not repurchase it. Then I bought the Love the Lift mascara from Sephora. This is $6.89, and by the way, I'm converting this money from our currency into dollars. I have some codes and stuff like that from Sephora, so that's the reason it's these kind of numbers. Anyway, this was nice. I like it. I am using it currently, and it is a good lifting mascara, and I think this is my favorite mascara from the Sephora line, from what they are offering. It is a really nice one overall, so I do recommend it, but it will not be my absolutely favorite mascara. And lastly, I bought this one, not my favorite. So this haul from Sephora was not the best. I didn't find any favorites in this, which is kind of normal, but at the same time I really don't enjoy this. This is the Lip Velvet from ABH. This retails for $29.14. It's too dry. I understand that some people would love this one for that exact reason, but it's not for me. I think I will keep it in my collection because I bought it and it is quite expensive, but I don't love it. On the 28th of January, I bought two things from NYX. First of all, I repurchased my eyebrow pencil. This is my favorite one, so I always repurchase it. And then I bought the Fat Oil Click Stick. This one is just great. NYX is doing some lip products that are incredible. This is in the shade link in my bio. I like this one a lot more than the Tarte one. It's just glossy, not goopy, beautiful. I love it. I love it. And this purchase was $22.7. I love both of these. They are great products, so I'm happy with this one. On the 1st of February, I bought two things from the drugstore. First of all, I bought the Revolution Green Eyeliner. This one is my favorite eyeliner right now. It is the Streamline eyeliner, but why did I purchase it in green? Because I literally have a shade similar to this. It is what it is. This was $4, so at least it's not expensive, but did I need it? No. So a cup of coffee for this, I would have been better with the coffee, but it is what it is. And then I bought the Juicy Balm from Essence, the lip oil. This is a fail for sure. This was $2, so at least it's not expensive. I will use it up because sure I can, but this applicator is a joke, and this product it's kids makeup. It is what it is. And lastly, I bought on the 10th of February the Lifter Plump from the lip gloss from Maybelline. This one is nice. I really like the shimmers in here. They look very juicy and very glossy and beautiful on the lips. I really like it, but as a plumper, I prefer the NYX one a lot more. But because this has some shimmers, I have the shade Hot Honey. Because this has some shimmers, it is a bit different than the NYX one, so I really enjoy it. But like I said, as a plumper, I prefer the NYX one a million times more. So for Q1, a total of all of these is $272, which is a bit more than I said. I said that I would be very happy to be just around $200, maybe less than $200. But yeah, I hope in Q2 I will be a bit better and purchase a bit less, because I have in here some favorites, but as well I have some fails, which I need to do my research a bit better and not purchase anything just because I'm curious. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.